Assalamualaikum everyone. Today our topic is observation. Before the starting video, I request you to subscribe my channel, like and share. Come back to topic and start video. From the earliest history of scientific activity, observation has been the prevailing method of inquiry. Observation of the natural phenomena aided by the systematic classification and measurement led to the development of the theories and law of the nature forces. Observation continues to the characterize all research, experimental, descriptive, historical. The use of the technique of the participant observation in the ethnological research was described in chapter 4. The importance of the observational technique for single subject research and some aspect of the methodology involved in using them was discussed in chapter 6. A reason why observation is most often used the single subject compartmental research is that it is very costly to observe this insufficient sample to behavior for a large number of the subjects. Observation must occurring occur during the number of baseline and intervention season in this type of research in a study described chapter 6. Pantu Zoo and Calumet 1981 observed the attending observer year of their subjects. This is an example of the type of observation technique known as time sampling. See chapter 6 for a description. Every 60 seconds, the subjects were observed to see if they were attending to their task. In chapter 5, the study by all 1973 was used as an example of the equivalent time sample design. Observation was used to collect the data, and in the study also observed counted the number of occurrences of aggressive behavior. The technique down known are frequently count described in chapter 6 and experimental research. Observation is mostly frequently the method of the choice and behavior modification studies and the frequently and the single subject research design. Parantuzu and the Calumet 1981. It is rare to see observation used in group design, those described in chapter 5. Unfortunately, more because of the cost than because it is less appropriate than the other measure used in the place. As a data gathering device, direct observation may also make an important distribution to descriptive research. Certain type of information can best be obtained through direct examination by the researcher when the information concerned as material objects are the specimens. This process is relatively simple and may consist of the classifying, measuring and counting, but when the process involves the study of the human subject in action, it is much more complex. One may study the characteristics of the school building by the observing the recording such aspect as the material of construction, number of rooms for various purpose, size of room, amount of furniture and equipment presence or absence of certain facilities and other relevant aspects. A dense sea could then be determined by comparing these facilities with the responsible reasonable standards previously determined the expert judgment and the research. That's it for today. Come back in next video.